안녕하십니까. 네. My name is Heng Park. Nice to meet you.
You do, right? How are you feeling? How's your stomach?
여러 어르신들을 조사하면서 이론적으로
No, we want that.
말씀드렸다.
이분들이 실제로 70대 초반 뭐 이렇게
제가 생각하고 있는 이적이라는 캐릭터는 되게 완고함이 단단한 느낌의 할아버지였어요. 그만의 세계가 있는, 그래서 눈썹도 좀 강직한 느낌으로 가기를 원했고, 헤어스타일도 그 가발이라는 한계가 있지만 그거를 좀 탈피해서 좀 짧은 스타일로 좀 과감하게 얼굴을 드러내놓고 그 사람이 숨김없이 자신감 있는 그 표정이나 모든 모습이 캐릭터에 담겨지길 원했는데, 작업을 하면서 아무래도 이제 여러 가지 기술적으로 부족한 부분들이 있어서 머리가 좀 더 길어졌고, 눈썹 같은 것들도 단단함을 표현하기 위해서는 좀 강해져야 하는데 실질적인 리얼리티감이 떨어져서 그것을 좀 수술 줄였다든지 뭐 이런 식의 조정이 좀 있었던 것 같아요.
Basically what happened is when I first got here, we like set up the shop and then the actor came in. We took a life cast of him, which basically means we take an impression of his body from like his armpits sort of to the top of his head as one mold, and then we took casts of both his hands. Then we did the ears again separately just so we had more detailed ear molds. And then basically from that, those molds I create plaster copies of his hands, his face, his ears. And on that, I sculpt the makeup. So I basically sculpt with clay in 3D, like what I'm going to change about his features. Either making like his any shape, whatever I want, I basically just sculpt it in clay. That sculpture is like a full sculpture from like head down to here. So once that's done, then we actually cut it apart and then you soak the sculpture in water. There's a special release you put on first. And after a day or two, you're actually able to remove all the pieces of the sculpture in separate pieces. So the cheeks are a separate piece, the forehead is separate, the nose is separate, the chin, the full neck is a separate piece. Once those are all separated, you then make what's called a positive, which is basically another copy, basically another casting of the side of his face. Loud.
3분에서 4분만 지나면 이거 떼낼 거니까 조금만 참아주세요. 오케이? 빨리
So it'll be like basically just a copy of the side of his face, and on that I will put the cheek sculpture, then I'll finish it and basically finish the detailing and then do all the other work you have to do to make the prosthetic. Then when you have all these sculptures finished, all the separate molds, you make the negative. So basically the negative is made out of the same material as the positive, and it's just basically the negative impression. So like any mold, you have basically two halves. So we basically create two half molds for all the pieces on his face. And then once that's done, we take those molds and we spray a special thin plastic over the molds, then pour in silicone and close the mold. When the silicone is set up, we open the mold and what you get is a silicone prosthetic. Actually, I wish I had one, that'd be kind of easier to explain. But you have basically a silicone prosthetic. That prosthetic then gets glued onto the actor's face in an order because all the prosthetics, they overlap each other. They kind of basically like piece back together. And once that's all done, you finish the paint work and then do the wig and whatever other fine details you have to do. And then from there, you just maintain the makeup for like 8 hours on set until it comes off. The makeup takes about 6 hours to apply. So it's quite a while before they even get to see it in front of the camera.
저는 이 작업 자체가 박해일 씨가 아니었으면은 이렇게 힘든 작업이 가능했을까 하는 정도로 되게 많이 도움을 받고 있고요. 물론 저희도 당연히 힘든 작업이지만 그 작업을 이해해주고 마음껏 마루타가 기꺼이 되기를 희망해주는 그 배우한테 너무 정말 감사하고 있고, 저는 무엇보다 그 친구가 바라보는 그 배우로서 그 인물을 바라보는 자세가 저는 너무 사랑스러운 것 같아요. 너무 후배들한테 본받을 점인 것 같고, 스텝은 저로서도 그 모습을 보면 무언가 느끼는 게 있어서 본받게 되는 것 같아요. 멋있는 배우라고 생각합니다.